Hey everyone, if you've ever felt like your money just disappears before the end of the month, you're not alone. So many of us have been there, checking our bank accounts and wondering where all our hard-earned cash went. It can feel overwhelming, but the good news is, you can take back control, and it's not as complicated as it might seem. Today, I'm breaking down some simple and powerful tips to help you unlock real financial freedom, no matter where you're starting from. Whether you're just getting your first paycheck or you've been working for years, these strategies can help you build a solid foundation for your financial future. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the basics. Budgeting. I know it sounds boring, but trust me, having a clear budget is like having a map for your money. Without a budget, it's easy to get lost and end up spending more than you realize. A budget gives you a bird's-eye view of your finances, showing you exactly what's coming in and what's going out. Start by tracking every dollar you spend for a whole month. This might seem tedious at first, but it's the only way to get a true picture of your spending habits. You might be surprised by how much those little purchases add up over time. Apps make this super easy, or you can go old school with a notebook. The key is consistency. Make it a daily habit to jot down your expenses, even the small ones like snacks or parking fees. Once you know where your cash is going, it's a lot easier to spot those little leaks, like daily coffee runs or random online shopping sprees. These small, often overlooked expenses can quietly drain your bank account if you're not careful. Take a close look at your subscriptions too. Are you paying for streaming services or gym memberships you barely use? Canceling just one or two unused subscriptions can save you hundreds over the course of a year. Next up, pay yourself first. This is one of the most important habits you can build for long-term financial health. What does that mean? As soon as you get paid, move a set amount into your savings or investments before you spend a single dollar. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable bill that must be paid every month. Even if it's just $20, it adds up over time. The important thing is to start, no matter how small. Over months and years, those small deposits can grow into a serious safety net. Think of saving as paying your future self for the work you're doing today. It's a way to reward yourself later and make sure you're prepared for unexpected expenses or opportunities. Now let's talk about debt. Debt can feel like a heavy weight, but with a plan, you can chip away at it and eventually break free. If you've got credit cards, student loans, or any kind of debt, make a plan to tackle it head-on. Write down all your debts, the interest rates, and minimum payments, so you know exactly what you're dealing with. Focus on paying off the highest interest debts first. That's usually credit cards. High interest can make your debt grow faster than you realize, so knocking those out first saves you money in the long run. Every extra payment, no matter how small, gets you closer to freedom. Even rounding up your payments by a few dollars each month can make a big difference over time. Here's another game changer: automate everything. Life gets busy, and it's easy to forget a payment or skip a transfer to savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and bill payments. This way, your money is working for you in the background, and you're less likely to miss a payment or spend what you meant to save. This way, you don't even have to think about it, and you avoid late fees or accidentally spending what you meant to save. And finally, invest in yourself. That could be reading books, taking an online course, or even learning a new skill that boosts your income. The more you invest in your knowledge and abilities, the more opportunities you'll have to earn and save. Don't be afraid to seek out advice or join communities where people share their financial journeys. Learning from others can help you avoid common mistakes and stay motivated. The more you know, the more you can grow your money. Financial literacy is a lifelong journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. To wrap it up, remember, money is a tool. It's not about having the most, but about using what you have wisely to create the life you want. With a little planning and some smart habits, you can take control of your finances and start building the life you want, $1 at a time. Every small step counts, and over time, those steps add up to big changes. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple, actionable finance tips. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and every bit of progress is worth celebrating. Catch you in the next one.